Hi, are you in grade 9 and you're worried about how to go about that KNEC project, specifically the music part, that early one morning folk song? Worry no more, because in this video we are going to learn together, interpret the piece together, sing it together until you learn it and get to score your good marks. Sip some water, make sure your voice is okay, and let's get started.
Learning with Sandy, becoming more.
Alright, welcome back. Before you even get into details in the piece, we are going to scan through and see what is in the piece. Now, the major things we need to note about the piece before we even get into details. The first thing we note is that this piece has the voice part and the piano part. So our interest is in the voice part. The piano part, that's an instrument. Your teacher will play that for you. So we are going to learn the voice part. That's our part. So scanning through, we are able to see the time signature. The first thing we notice, the time signature. The piece is in 2/4 time. We've learned that previously in grade 7. 2/4 time, meaning 2 crochets in every bar. We also get to note a flat. There's this flat on B. So that tells us that this piece is in F major scale, is in F major. We've learned about C major and G major. C major in grade 7, G major in grade 8. In grade 9, we learned this. We learned this key, the F major. So our piece is in F major. We also get to know that our piece is starting on a rest, and a rest, and another rest, and another rest. The first 4 bars, we are going to be silent as the piano is playing. So we are going to start singing on the 5th bar. We also get to see MP. MP standing for mezzo piano. Piano stands for soft, and then MP stands for mezzo piano, meaning moderately soft. We also get to see DC towards the end. We get to see DC, meaning go back to the beginning. It's actually written here. When you sing the whole piece, when you get to the end, we're going to go back to the beginning and sing the piece all again. We also get to see the crescendo and the diminuendo. Crescendo meaning gradually getting louder, and the diminuendo gradually getting softer. I think that's all about, that's the main thing, the major things we also see moderato. Yeah, it's a very nice song. It's an English folk song, and we are going to start by learning the solfas. Before we put the words, we're going to start by learning the solfas. Now, we have seen that the piece is in F major scale. What does that tell you? The piece is in F major scale. What does that mean? That means that F in the piece, F is the do. For example, where the song is starting, this part here, F, and the song is starting on do, a crochet, that is do, followed by 2 pairs of quavers, that is do, do again. So any F we see in this piece, that's do. So we're going to start by interpreting the whole piece together, interpreting the solfas, that is. So let's get started. So this is do, this is another do, this is also a do. We go back down here, this is also a do. Then this note here, this is mi, because you're moving from do, re, and mi. The other note here is so, do, mi, so, followed by so. We are done with bar 2. We go to la. I'm sure you can see that. We go to la. And then from la, we are going down here to fa. Because this is do, re, mi, and fa. Followed by re and do. We continue. This is T. We are going down from do. So it is T. T. This is re, this is so, and this is so. This do, again, do, do, and do. I'm sure that is easier for you. This is line F. Remember, you always say face, and we have said F is do. So this is do, 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 another do, and then mi. Then so and so. Are we there? Higher we go down here. We have la, and then fa, then re, ti. Remember ti, we had it earlier. So ti, and then do. This meaning is do. We have re, mi, fa, so, mi, do, re, mi, fa. Yeah, are we there? Fa. And we're done with that. So we go down here. You have so, mi, do, mi, so, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, and do. So this is what we have. We have do, mi, so, la, fa, re, do, ti, re, so, do, mi, so, la, fa, re, ti, do. Re, mi, fa, so, mi, do, re, mi, fa. So, mi, do, mi, so, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, and do. Now that you are done interpreting the solfas, we're going to start by singing the solfas, and then later we'll put the words. How do the solfas go? Remember, our piece is in F major. My pitch pipe is ready. My pitch pipe, there it is. My pitch pipe is ready. So I'm going to play the do for F major so that we can be guided. I'm going to pitch you. That's do. And remember, our song is starting on do. Do. I'm going to bring it closer to you. Do, 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 mi, so. Do, 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 mi, so, la, fa, re, do, ti, re, so. Up to that point, we sing together. Do, 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 mi, so, la, fa, re, do, ti, re, so. And then it continues. Do, 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 mi, so, la, fa, re, ti, do. So we're going to sing from the beginning to that part where you have below. Do, 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 mi, so, la, fa, re, do, ti, re, so. Do, 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 mi, so, la, fa, re, ti, do. So I'm going to sing one more time alone, then you're going to sing alone, and then we're going to sing together. Do, 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 mi, so, la, fa, re, do, ti, re, so. Do, 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 mi, so, la, fa, re, ti, do. The last note is a meaning. So you go. Good. So now one more time together. Do, 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 mi, so, la, fa, re, do, ti, re, so. Do, 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 mi, so, la, fa, re, ti, do. And then we continue. Re, mi, fa, so, mi, do. Re, mi, fa, so, mi, do. Do, mi, so, do, ti, la, so. ti, do. You alone now. Good, good, good. So one more time this part together, so that now we can proceed from the beginning to the end. Re mi fa so mi do, re mi fa so mi do, do mi so do ti la so fa mi re do ti do. Good. So now we start from the beginning to the end. Do, 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 mi, so, so, la, fa, re, do, ti, re, so, so. Do, 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 mi, so, so, la, fa, re, ti, do. Re, mi, fa, so, mi, do. Re, mi, fa, so, mi, do. Do, mi, so, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, do. We get to see this. See, so we are going to repeat one more time with you. Do, 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 mi, so, so, la, fa, re, do, ti, re, so, so. Do, 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 mi, so, so, la, fa, re, ti, do. Re, mi, fa, so, mi, do. Re, mi, fa, so, mi, do. Do, mi, so, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, do. This is me clapping for you because, yeah, you are doing great. Now we may proceed to putting the words. But before we put the words, we get to note a few things that we never noted in the beginning. We have slurs. I'm sure you've learned about slurs, where for example on this note we have so and me. We are going to play the notes or sing the notes together smoothly. So me, not individually. Like here, so me, we're going to sound so moving to me. We can see another slur on do and mi, so we're going to play that note as do moving to mi smoothly in a continuous way. There is another slur also on ti to la, on so to fa. There is also another one up there on so to me. So let's now put the words. So just like the solfas, we're going to first put the words up to this first part where you have the word below, and then we'll continue from there. So we start with the solfas, then we put the words. Do, 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 mi, so, so, la, fa, re, do, ti, re, so, so. Do, 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 mi, so, so, la, fa, re, ti, do. We now put the words. Early one morning, just as the sun was rising, I heard a maiden sing in the valley below. Early one morning, just as the sun was rising, I heard a maiden sing in the valley below. Early one morning, just as the sun was rising, I heard a maiden sing in the valley below. We continue with the other part. Oh, don't deceive me. Oh, never leave me. You remember the solfas, how we were singing them? Re, mi, fa, so, mi, do. Re, mi, fa, so, mi, do. Oh, don't deceive me. The slur. So me. So me. Oh, don't deceive me. Oh, never leave me. Do, mi, so, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, do. How could you use a poor maiden soul? So we start from here. Oh, don't deceive me. Oh, never leave me. How could you use a poor maiden soul? your seal together. Sip your water. Then you're going to sing through the song using the solfa slowly. Then put the words and sing it through slowly. Then put a faster pace and sing the solfas. And then a faster pace using the words. Sip your water. Let's get started. Do, 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 mi, so, so, la, fa, re, do, ti, re, so, so. Do, 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 mi, so, so, la, fa, re, ti, do. Re, mi, fa, so, mi, do. Re, mi, fa, so, mi, do. Do, mi, so, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, do. Do, 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 mi, so, so, la, fa, re, do, ti, re, so, so. Do, 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 mi, so, so, la, fa, re, ti, do. Re, mi, fa, so, mi, do. Re, mi, fa, so, mi, do. Do, mi, so, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, do. Good. Let's now put the words and sing it all over again using a slower pace. Early one morning, just as the sun was rising, I heard a maiden sing in the valley below. Oh, don't deceive me, oh, never leave me. How could you use a poor maiden so? Good. Now we're going to sing the solfas again using a more faster pace, and then later we're going to put the words and sing it using a more faster pace. Let's start with the solfas. Do, 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 mi, so, so, la, fa, re, do, ti, re, so, so. Do, 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 mi, so, so, la, fa, re, ti, do. Re, mi, fa, so, mi, do. Re, mi, fa, so, mi, do. Do, mi, so, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, do. Early one morning, just as the sun was rising, I heard a maiden sing in the valley below. Oh, don't deceive me, oh, never leave me. How could you use a poor maiden so? I hope you have understood. Now go forth and practice the second part with Gay is the Gallant, and also the third part with Thus Sang the Maiden. Practice singing that, and all the best in your exams. All the best in that KNEC project. I have been your teacher, Miss Senti. I hope to see you again. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel. And until I see you next time, be safe.